Hello again, good friends. Welcome, new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. When I first started the channel, going on about 2 years now, one of the very first videos was on Solution Finish, Bring Plastics Back. And I think it's time to showcase it once more, not only for those new to the channel, but those that I speak to starting their detailing business, just starting off, or just starting to take care of their own cars. It's an extension of services that you can provide beyond basic bumper-to-bumper cleaning. One of them is paint enhancements, one-steps, and so on. Another one you can start to offer is plastic restorations. I'm going to take you out to the shop. I'm going to show you preparation, application, and the finished results. And from there you can decide if you want to add something like this to your business or add something like this to your regiment, your detailing regiment, taking care of your own cars. Let's head out and get started. Solution Finish is a polymer formula, no wet look, no greasy residue. It has natural oils, silicone free, and VOC compliant. We're just about to start the restoration of a wiper cowl and some other plastic pieces, oxidized, faded. But before we start, again, preparation is key for all detailing products, so we're not going to skimp out on these either. They need to be cleaned first and make sure there are no waxes or oils on the surface. You can purchase Solution Finish in many different sizes and kits. 1 ounce, $14.99, 12 ounces, $39.99. There's a precision trim kit you can purchase for $29.99 and a supersized precision kit for trim for $49.99. Preparation is a two-step process. I'm going to make sure there's no dirt or grit on the surface. You can use any APC. I'm going to use Power Clean and a soft detail brush. Excellent on plastic, vinyl, and rubber, and some examples: bumpers, mirrors, mud flaps, window trims, seals, running board, truck beds, wiper blades, anything that's oxidized or faded. Second step of preparation is going to be a wax and oil remover. Many companies make these. Just pick one, spray it on there and wipe it off. So now it's clean. It's free of waxes and oils. There's going to be nothing that gets in between the product and the surface of the plastic or the rubber. This product not only bonds, but it penetrates the surface, so nothing can get in between that process. Okay, properly prepped. We also want to make sure it's perfectly dry. Now we do have oxidation left on there, but we don't have to remove that. The product will dissolve it. I want to show you the huge difference this product makes as it restores faded and oxidized plastic. So let me run some tape down the middle so I can give you a 50-50 shot when we're finished. I apply it two ways depending on what material it is, what type of texture it has, and what shape and size it is. I'll use a microfiber application pad, and I can tell you this product goes a long way. Just a little bit will take you a long way. That 1 ounce container will last a long time. The 12 ounces will last a long time. Your kits are going to last forever. Once you get the pad a little bit moist with the product, then just a drop or two will do. It goes on nice and easy. If there's high spots, don't worry about that. You can knock those down later with a microfiber. Massage it into the surface of the plastic or the rubber and wait 2 minutes before you go after any high spots with a microfiber. Give it a chance to dissolve the oxidation and to penetrate the surface of the plastic. As you can see the huge difference, this stuff is amazing, better than new. Okay, that was the first coat. That was the base layer. And with all detailing products I apply, I'm going to apply the second coat so I could show you another way to apply it using the foam painter stick. Just to put a little bit on the end of the foam pad and spread it out from there. It gives you a nice, even application onto the surface. And it will not give you any type of texture that maybe the microfiber applicator will. Okay, let's talk about cure time. I have found 2 minutes after applying it before wiping any high spots, 2 hours in between layers, and 4 hours cure time before you take it out and let it get wet. It's a semi-permanent way to restore plastic and rubber. It will not rinse off or wash off. Durability is somewhere around 12 months before it starts to break down a bit and lighten up due to some more oxidation. If you put a ceramic coating over this after it cures in about 4 hours or so, you're looking at a long time before the plastic starts to fade or oxidize once again. And here you can see the huge difference between both sides. Okay, we have the wiper cowl to do. This is just one single piece. I'm going to run through this from start to finish and just show you how quick, with all the steps included, it'll take you to clean, prep, prime it, and coat it, and then we can get it back in place and I can show you the finished results. And that's going to do it. Both pieces are restored. They're attached to the car again. Both the wiper cowl and the top of the air filter there matches the rest of the engine compartment that we already have restored and looks better than new. And for the final thoughts segment of the video, more and more cars coming out with more and more plastic trim, and the quality of that trim is getting lower and lower. Not all that trim, actually a very small percentage of that trim is going to be protected and coated, so within a matter of time, a lot of that trim is going to be oxidized and faded. So it's a no-brainer to add this to your detailing arsenal, and you can add this as a service or just be able to take care of more material on your own car. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.